Hey guys, this is DestinyLashae, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I exfoliate. And I'm going to be showing you guys my skin under the microscope before and after I exfoliate. Today's video is sponsored by Sand & Sky. I'm going to be using their Australian Pink Clay Flash Perfection Exfoliating Treatment. This mattifies the skin as well as exfoliates and invigorates the skin as well. I love to exfoliate personally because I love the way my skin feels afterwards. It just makes my skin feel really smooth, and it also makes my skin look brighter because it kind of gets rid of those dead skin cells. This is actually formulated with AHA rich fruit extracts, and it resurfaces your skin and it increases your cell turnover, so it just helps your skin to be a lot brighter. I usually use this product right before I'm about to get in the shower, and I rinse it off in the shower. I love the way it makes my skin feel. It makes it feel super soft, and I feel like my skin looks a lot brighter after I use it. I would say this scrub is not for people with sensitive skin. It even says it before you buy it. If you do use this in your skin is sensitive, I would highly suggest not rubbing it in and just using it as a mask, because the AHAs in this will just kind of get rid of the dead skin cells without you having to scrub. As you can tell, I've used it multiple times. This is not anything new to me or you guys.
So I go ahead and wet my face first, of course, and then I go in with the exfoliator and just rub that all over my face. I'm not doing it very rough. It looks like I'm doing it very rough, but I'm actually being very gentle and just kind of going in circular motions and rubbing the exfoliant in. I also like to go in and exfoliate my lips just to get some of the dead skin off of my lips as well.
So after I have scrubbed that into my skin for about a good minute, I take a little bit more of the product and put it on my hand and just kind of put it on my skin as a mask. And then I just let the rest of the product sit on my skin for about 10 minutes, and then I rinse it off in the shower. So I just hopped out the shower. This is how my skin looks. It just feels super soft and smooth, and it literally feels like a baby's butt.
Okay, so let's pause really quickly. You guys know I love my microscope. This is my cheek under the microscope. This is what my skin looked like before using the exfoliator. As you can tell, it's very oily, and some of my pores are like oozing with oil. This is what my cheek looked like after using the exfoliator. As you can tell, my skin is a lot less oily. My pores look a lot more clear. I love using the microscope on my skin just to see if products really work. I love this product in general, but just to see that it works under the microscope makes me feel better.
So before I head to bed, I'm going to apply my serum and my moisturizer and probably like a drop of oil just to moisturize my skin after exfoliating, and then I'm done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Sorry if it's hard to catch my vibe.